So why Forex? You could be trading in stocks, you could be trading in bonds, derivatives, you could be trading in a whole range of any instruments. Why am I suggesting that Forex should be one of the main things that you trade, or even the first thing you start off with, right? Forex, from my view, is that you are actually looking at a country's performance, a country's economic performance. And there are not that many countries. We look at major countries, so we only look at a few countries' economic performance, and that's going to be a lot easier than considering thousands and thousands of companies' financial performance, financial expectations, looking through all the numbers. When you're trading FX, you don't need to have all that complex math, formulas, calculations. We can actually keep it quite simple compared to if you were trading stocks, right? If you're trading stocks, you have to calculate PE, IRR, you have to calculate NPV, all that kind of stuff put together. By an FX, don't really have to do that. We can keep it very simple. In Forex, you get high liquidity in the Forex market. What I mean by high liquidity is that there's a lot of transactions. You can get in and out of positions easily. You can get in and out of positions easily. You're not going to be stuck with a position that you would like to close, but there's no buyers that you can't get out of, right? So you can get in and out of positions easily. Best part about FX is it's easy to get started with a small starting capital. Of course, small is going to be relative. Small for a person, for someone, is going to be different to someone else's small amount. But you can start off with a relatively small capital and also accumulate from there. Trade, realize that you're starting small, build it up from there. And most importantly, you can use Forex, you can trade Forex anywhere in the world. So long as you've got your computer, so long as you've got an internet connection, so long as you know what you're doing, you can create that source of income, that source of additional income for yourself or for someone you want anywhere in the world.